Are you looking for the best ratcheting screwdriver in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best ratcheting screwdriver that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Megapro 13-in-1 Ratcheting Automotive Screwdriver. For those who appreciate innovative design and versatility, the Megapro 13-in-1 Ratcheting Automotive Screwdriver is the best choice. This screwdriver features a unique retractable bit cartridge that holds 12 screwdriver bits and a 1/4-inch hex nut driver, providing a wide range of options for different applications. The ratcheting mechanism allows for smooth and efficient operation, making it easy to tighten or loosen screws. The Megapro screwdriver has a comfortable handle with a textured grip that ensures a secure hold and reduces hand fatigue. With its innovative design and versatility, the Megapro 13-in-1 Ratcheting Automotive Screwdriver is the best choice for those who appreciate convenience and efficiency. Up next in the 4th place is the Makita B50-289-47PC Ratchet and Bit Set. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that includes a ratchet screwdriver and a wide variety of bits, the Makita B50-289-47PC Ratchet and Bit Set is the best kit to choose. This set includes a ratchet screwdriver with a comfortable handle and a durable ratchet mechanism for reliable performance. It also comes with a storage case that keeps all the bits organized and easily accessible. The Makita B50-289 set includes a range of screwdriver bits, including Phillips, slotted, Torx, and square drive bits, among others, providing versatility for different tasks. With its extensive selection of bits and a reliable ratchet screwdriver, the Makita B50-289-47PC Ratchet and Bit Set is the best choice for those who need a complete toolkit for various applications. The 3rd product on our list is the Craftsman SpeedDrive Ratcheting Screwdriver. When speed is of the essence, the Craftsman SpeedDrive Ratcheting Screwdriver is the best choice. This screwdriver features a unique SpeedDrive gear mechanism that allows for rapid ratcheting action, making it ideal for tasks that require quick tightening or loosening. The Craftsman SpeedDrive comes with 6 bits, including Phillips and slotted bits, providing versatility for different applications. The screwdriver has an onboard bit storage compartment, keeping the bits organized and easily accessible. The durable construction and comfortable grip of the handle ensure ease of use and precise control. With its rapid ratcheting action, the Craftsman SpeedDrive Ratcheting Screwdriver allows for efficient and time-saving work, making it the best choice for those who value speed and convenience. Second on our list is the Wera 507-366-102 Slotted Ratcheting Screwdriver. For those who prioritize a comfortable and secure grip, the Wera 507-366-102 Slotted Ratcheting Screwdriver is the best choice. This screwdriver features Wera's renowned ergonomic design with a bi-material plastic handle, ensuring maximum comfort and torque. The handle is designed to reduce stress and abrasion, allowing for extended use without discomfort. The Wera 507-366-102 comes with 6 bits, including slotted and Phillips bits, providing a good selection for various tasks. The screwdriver has an onboard bit storage compartment, keeping the bits organized and easily accessible. The stainless steel shaft is strong and rust-resistant, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. With its comfortable grip and high-quality construction, the Wera 507-366-102 Slotted Ratcheting Screwdriver allows for precise and efficient work, even during prolonged use. Finally, the top product on our list is the Klein Tools 32305 Multi-Bit Ratcheting Screwdriver. The Klein Tools 32305 Multi-Bit Ratcheting Screwdriver is our top pick for the best overall ratcheting screwdriver. This screwdriver features a high-strength carbon steel barrel with a rust-resistant finish, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. It comes with 14 heat-treated double-ended bits, including Phillips, slotted, square, combo, and Torx bits, offering versatility for various tasks. The screwdriver also has an onboard bit storage compartment, keeping the bits organized and easily accessible. With its powerful magnet and bit holder, this Klein Tools screwdriver securely holds the bits in place during use. The comfortable cushion grip handle provides a firm and ergonomic grip, allowing for precise control and reducing hand fatigue. Overall, the Klein Tools 32305 multi-bit ratcheting screwdriver is a reliable and versatile tool that delivers exceptional performance in various applications. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.